Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, brothers and sisters. Hello and welcome again to this new video. Today's video we're gonna talk about how to say anything in Arabic. In this series I call it how to say it in Arabic. كيف تقولها بالعربية. As you know, the best way to learn any language is to learn full sentences, full phrases, not individual words. But in this channel I'm trying to mix between everything. Some videos we're gonna talk about individual words, in some videos we're gonna talk about full sentences, full phrases. Okay, so let's do it. First, كيف تقولها بالعربية. How to say it in Arabic. كيف تقولها بالعربية. كيف تقولها بالعربية. Sorry, I don't speak Arabic. آسف. Sorry. أنا لا أتكلم. I don't speak. أنا لا أتكلم العربية. آسف. أنا لا أتكلم العربية. I understand. أنا أفهم. I understand. أنا لا أفهم. I don't understand. أنا لا أفهم. I don't understand. I don't understand what you're saying. أنا لا أفهم ما تقول. أنا لا أفهم ما تقول. أنا لا أفهم ما تقول. I don't understand what you're saying. How can I help you? كيف يمكنني مساعدتك. كيف how يمكنني can I help you مساعدتك. كيف يمكنني مساعدتك. Let's go you can say لنذهب or هيا بنا. The same thing, the same meaning. Let's go لنذهب or هيا بنا. I agree with you. أنا أتفق معك. أنا أتفق معك. I agree with you. I don't agree with you. أنا لا أتفق معك. لا it means don't. I don't. أنا لا. I don't. أنا لا أتفق معك. I don't agree with you. So let's say them again fast this time. Alright? Sorry, I don't speak Arabic. آسف, أنا لا أتكلم العربية. I understand. أنا أفهم. I don't understand. أنا لا أفهم. I don't understand what you're saying. أنا لا أفهم ما تقول. How can I help you? كيف يمكنني مساعدتك. Let's go لنذهب or هيا بنا. أنا أتفق معك. I agree with you. أنا أتفق معك. أنا لا أتفق معك. I don't agree with you. أنا لا أتفق معك. I hope you like this video and I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye.